Hello, wonderful learners. Welcome back to Basic 1000 English Words. You're doing so well. You already know 280 useful words. Today we'll learn verbs for work and school. These are the actions you do every day when you study, learn, or work with others. Think about it. You read books, write notes, study for tests, and work hard. These verbs are the tools that help you succeed at school and in your job. Get your notebook ready, sit tall, and let's learn together. Read means to look at words and understand them. Read. Say it with me. Read. Write means to put words on paper. Write. Repeat after me. Write. Study means to learn carefully. Study. Say it clearly. Study. Learn means to get new knowledge. Learn. Let's repeat. Learn. Teach means to help others learn. Teach. Say it with me. Teach. Work means to do a job or task. Work. Repeat slowly. Work. Help means to give support to someone. Help. Say it clearly. Help. Check means to look carefully for mistakes. Check. Let's practice. Check. Correct means to fix mistakes. Correct. Say it with me. Correct. Spell means to say or write letters of a word. Spell. Repeat after me. Spell. Count means to say numbers in order. Count. Say it clearly. Count. Solve means to find an answer to a problem. Solve. Let's repeat. Solve. Plan means to decide what to do next. Plan. Say it with me. Plan. Build means to make or create something. Build. Repeat after me. Build. Draw means to make a picture with a pen or pencil. Draw. Say it clearly. Draw. Practice means to do something many times to improve. Practice. Let's repeat. Practice. Finish means to complete a task. Finish. Say it with me. Finish. Present means to show or explain something to others. Present. Repeat after me. Present. Organize means to put things in order. Organize. Say it clearly. Organize. Improve means to make something better. Improve. Let's practice. Improve. Fantastic job today. You now know 300 words in our basic 1000 English words journey. Try these sentences in real life. I read a book every night. I write my homework. I plan my work before I start. Tell me in the comments, which verb do you use the most at school or work? Next time, we'll explore 20 words about family and people. Keep practicing. You're building strong English every day.